Hello everyone, thank you so much for liking my channel, The Utopian Garden, and today I'm actually making a video for you as well as for myself so that I can remember that I sowed these seeds on a particular date. So today is 23rd of October 2020, and these are, as you can see, Mucuna seeds, Arca, which are actually grown, and genetically modified in Bangalore, around the region of Arkavati, which is a river in Bangalore, about 30-40 kilometers on the outskirts. So this is a 1 kg pack, and first of all I'm going to let you know the advantages of these, and there are major advantages of these, and those are 10 advantages I'm going to share with you. The first one is that basically increases the male fertility, or you can say virility, in males. The second advantage is that it pushes up the sperm count, which is obviously as a consequence of the first advantage. And then the third one is precisely related to the the sexual, I would say, habit of an individual. So it elongates ejaculation time as well. So when you grow old, the fourth advantage is when you grow old, your approach towards your sexual life, or your thoughts, get significantly mellowed, so it improves that as well. And the fifth advantage is connected to all of the above, that eventually it has a great impact on the nervous system of your body. So it significantly improves the nervous system of your body. The sixth advantage is that it resolves the problem of depression, which is great mainly because of the fact that a lot of people in today's times are going through this problem of depression and eventually end up doing things which are, I would say, not wanted, and then the extreme step of somebody getting into huge depression is committing suicide, which obviously no one should. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to tell you is that this can resolve the problem of depression once and for all. And then the seventh problem is that if you have this nature of getting too excited or too angry, too anguished by certain situations, scenarios, or people around you, it also is resolved. It goes down, it pushes down the anger in you, which basically ensures that you are in a balanced state of existence at all times. And the eighth benefit of this is that people who are suffering from Parkinson's definitely have to try this, because it is claimed by extensive research that Parkinson's problem can be solved, can be eliminated and terminated altogether by consumption of this Mucuna seeds. It is also called conch in Hindi. People with paralytic or semi-paralytic body can consume this one so that they get rid of their paralysis. So it basically gives a renewed energy into your body, which results in, if for example, I know somebody who has who had a paralytic attack on one side of his body. He's all right now, but his right hand is still not in the best of shape. For example, if he has to sign somewhere, it is a bit of a trouble for him. And what happens here is that it creates a sort of a, I would say, a mental disturbance as well. And then if you're not able to sign a paper or something in front of a lot of people around you, this can create a bit of a sadness, depression, and similar kind of problems. The ninth, or rather the 10th problem that it can resolve completely is the urinary tract issues. So guys, this is what this can do. Now, since it is 23rd of October and I got this today basically, and in fact I've had this for several days. I got it from Bangalore. So this is basically something which is available. First of all, it's a 1 kg pack, as you can see. So it's available with us for only 499 rupees. So the best part is that you just need to buy this once, and you can sow your own Mucuna. You don't really need to depend, because Mucuna is very expensive in the open market, whether it's whether it's the traders or whether it's the retailers. The powder of this is supremely expensive. It's about, if I'm not wrong, I saw 100 grams of powder for as high as 699 rupees. There were other options as well. You could get it for 499 at with other brands. And then if you get it for this 1 kg sells for 1500 1200 rupees in the northern part of India, which is, I'm talking about the metro cities. I'm not talking about you going into a farmland and then trying to fetch it from there. So not each one of us can go into the farmlands and fetch these. So what I'm going to do today for you is I'm going to first show you the seeds, how large these seeds are. This is not like a tomato seeds or a cucumber seeds. I'm going to plant 6 of these. So I've just taken out 6, and you can have a little look at the back side as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the poly bag aside, which you've already seen, right? So I'm going to keep it aside. I'm going to put this pot aside as well. So what I'm going to do now is sow the seeds in front of you, and here you can see that I have this not exactly a pot, but probably a tiffin box or something like that. So I'm going to sow these seeds one by one. Try to sow the seeds, if these kind of seeds are there with you, with this thing going downwards, facing downwards, because that's where the roots come in from. So we've already sown 3 seeds here, and the fact is that this plant is not readily available in and around the cities. So I would rather suggest you buy this from us, and this is just a one-time purchase anyway. You're not going to buy again and again, and you can grow these even if you have a small area. Let's say you have an area of about 10 square foot, or rather 10 square meter. You can actually end up planting several of these. When I mean several, I mean to say like between 3 to 5 plants. And that is so because I'll tell you the reason. That is so because it grows to a height of up to 30 meters. So first of all, you don't have to get scared about this, mainly because of the fact that this plant has to be harvested as soon as it is dry. So it doesn't mean that it's like a coconut tree growing on your terrace. So if you keep this on your terrace, let's say only 2 plants to start off with. So I've just sown the seeds. If you keep it on your terrace, what eventually will happen is that it will grow to a maximum height of 30 feet, not meters, 30 feet, and then you'll have to let it be, and then it dries up and comes down automatically, right? So you don't have to make too much of efforts. It comes down automatically, and then there are जैसे tamarind होता है इतना लंबा, that's how it looks like. I don't really have I mean, you can do your research online how it looks like after it is grown to full fruition. Basically it is like tamarind, and this much is the size, just as the beans look. So the bean seeds are really small as compared to this one. So as soon as it grows to, let's say, let me keep this aside, so as soon as it is grown to a certain height, which is, as I said, 30 feet, so it is about this much. You can say about 3 to 4 inches the fruit is, and then it dries up, turns from green to black, and that's when the plant starts to come down automatically. So it's not going to fall over you or over your terrace. It just comes down automatically with the passage of time. Basically it dries up with the passage of time. Now I'll tell you, like, it takes about 8 to 10 days for this to germinate, and then it takes about 180 to 200 days for complete fruition of the plant, and including the time of harvesting. So it takes about 180 to 200 days wherein you can harvest it. And the best part about this is that even if you're taking it for yourself, that's great. So if you have, let's say, 5 to 10 plants you've planted, so you can actually sell them in the market. So there are several traders in and around Delhi or Mumbai, because I keep traveling to all these cities, and Bangalore, Calcutta, Hyderabad. So you can have a tie-up with these people who are selling at, let's say, 1200 per kg, 1500 per kg. So for you, the plant itself, the cost of planting it, the cost of growing it, harvesting it, it won't be that much. If you, let's say, just have 5 plants, and if you're able to generate just 5 kgs to 10 kgs out of those, you can make up, this can end up being your side income or an extra income. So if, for example, you sell it to the trader with 5 plants, you have, let's say, 10 kgs or 20 kgs, because it's a large plant. So I'm just guessing that per plant could be, let's say, between 3 to 5 kgs. So if you have 5 plants, so it could be between 15 to 25 kgs. So if you have, let's say, the median value, if you take it as 20 kgs, so if you harvest 20 kgs of these, what basically eventually happens is you can sell that at half the price at which the trader is selling, but you can sell it to him at, let's say, 5 to 600 per kg, depending on the kind of quality, because this is genetically modified. So the quality of this one is going to be supremely good, because it's been modified by the Horticulture Institute in Bangalore. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that if you're able to sell it for, let's say, 5 to 600 per kg to the trader, you don't really have to go to the end consumer in the beginning, because it's a bit of a trouble. Then as time passes by, so let's say 5 to 600 per kg is 20 kgs median value, so it's about 10 to 15,000 rupees. And if you're able to sow this every month, for example, so you can end up making a monthly income of 10 to 15,000 rupees from Mucuna pruriens, that's what it's called in English, and conch in Hindi. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for giving all the love and all of your likes and shares and subscribes. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep smiling and take care.